And we found one. So, looks like that's a, I'm not sure, like a little, just like an ant maybe.
Hello and welcome to my review of the Temptation Cancun Resort Trendy Garden View Room located in Cancun, Mexico. In this video, I fast forward through my cleaning process so that you can watch and see how I clean every single hotel room that I visit during my travels. And unfortunately, in this video, I discovered a creature lurking in my sheets. So make sure you stay tuned and watch what the hotel did do and what they didn't do when I found a creature trying to move in with me.
That you open your door with. And you push in, and then you're in the room. So this is just the garden view, and I'm gonna open up the door really quick so you guys can see. So you have this cool outlet, you have a control pad and light switches. So you hit this one. Okay, so you press the up button, and as you can see, voila. To the outside view, like I said, it's not much of a view because everything was sold out. We booked it at the last minute. But then you have your bed. Here you have a cool nightstand. Then you have another nightstand here with a plug and a light switch. Then you do have a cool outside little mini balcony. So even if your window is open, no one can see in. You have 2 chairs and a table. Then of course we have the cool TV, which I really haven't taken advantage of, but it has your name and you can watch TV. You have a luggage rack, which I didn't use. I'm just kind of putting my clothes and shoes here. I didn't use it for my luggage, excuse me. Then you have a cool table here with 2 chairs that you can put your items on. We have several closets and you push inward. Okay, and then you have inside one of the closet doors, this safe, and it works like, your traditional safe. So there's that. And one of the things that I wanted to show you guys was where I put my luggage. Unfortunately, this room is a tad bit small because when this trip was booked, that's the only thing that they had, but I do not put my luggage on the ground. I always put it on top of something so that if there's any critters or anything like that, they don't get inside. So just be careful. And I want to show you guys how to properly store your luggage. They also have this little, of course, the luggage rack, but my luggage is just a tad bit too big and it was, sinking in. So don't put your luggage on the ground and make sure, you don't take any critters back home. We have another closet here, which I don't think I have anything in. And then here's the bathroom, really purple color. You have towels. You can see I have my items here. It's a nice little sink. And the shower. So you see how we have it slightly to the right. That's how you get it hot. You don't want to go all the way to the left or all the way to the right like we are in the United States. You kind of want to get that happy medium in the middle if you want hot water. So shower, really nice and hot. And then you have a rack here for clothes and the toilet. So a really nice bathroom, nice little space, excuse me. Overall, nice room. Don't spend a lot of time in here because there's so many activities on the resort. Okay, so I just got to my hotel room, and in this video I am going to show you how to clean the hotel room. This is a practice that I've always done, even pre-COVID, because it's really important for me to clean areas of the hotel room that I'm going to be in contact with. Although the cleaning crew claims that they clean, we don't know how good they clean. So I have my wipes, and I have to bring I have like 3 or 4 of these Lysol sprays. There's a lot of different things you can do. I'm about to wipe down all the areas that I'll be in contact with, and you can also change your pillowcases and sheets. So let's get started. So, looks like that's I'm not sure, like a little, just like an ant maybe. So unfortunately, I will be calling them to change, well, not unfortunately, but they'll be changing all of this. So I'm gonna stop my process on this bed, and they're gonna have to come in, change this, and pull it all up, because that's unacceptable. If they had changed the sheets properly, I wouldn't even be in this position.
So as you can see, unfortunately, I did find a critter in my room, which was an ant. And if you follow my show, International Travel Fears, I have done an episode on bed bugs. So once I pulled everything up, I did see that this wasn't your traditional bed bugs where bugs are nesting and feeding and multiplying. But yet still there was a bed in my bug, and that wasn't acceptable because had the room been cleaned properly, it would not have been there. And this was in the bed. So it looks like maybe the sheets hadn't been changed or it could have crawled in. I don't know. So I called the front desk, and the cleaning lady came up and set some sheets on the nightstand. I guess I was supposed to change them myself, which wouldn't have been a big issue, but it's unacceptable because when I first came into my room, my sheets were not appropriate. So for me, that didn't work. So they ended up upgrading my room altogether to the beach view jacuzzi room, which was well worth it. And if you check at the end of this video, the end screen will show the jacuzzi room that I was upgraded to. So all in all, it worked out. They upgraded the room, and I was happy with that. So make sure you thoroughly check. My thorough cleaning process is what found this critter, and there were actually a couple of other marks that I didn't get in the video. So it's always important to thoroughly clean your room for your own health and safety.
I wouldn't have seen a critter. And then I'm gonna get cute and go get in the pool and get me some seafood. So I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you all can stay safe. And like I said, I normally bring my pillowcases and sheets. This time I didn't get to bring the sheets, so unfortunately they're gonna just have to come change them. So if you have any questions, let me know and tell me what your process is. What do you do to your hotel room to make sure it's sanitary, whether you're international or abroad? Comment and let me know. Let's get this conversation started. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, and happy travels. Bye.